deep sleep, man feels no desire, creates no dream. This undreaming sleep is the third condition, the intellectual condition. Because of his union with the self and his unbroken knowledge of it, he is filled with joy. He knows his joy. His mind is illuminated. The self is the Lord of all, inhabitant of the hearts of all. He is the source of all, creator and dissolver of beings. There is nothing he does not know.
Yatra sukto na kanchana kamam kamayate na kanchana swapnam pashyati tat sushuptam. Sushupta sthana ekibhuta prajnana ghana eva anandamayo hi anandam buddheto mukha prajnas ditiyah. Sarveshvara Esha Sarvajna Esho Antaryami Esha Yogi Sarvasya Esha Sarvajna. Esha sarve